Hello friends.
Welcome back to our channel Fun with Kids.
How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Right? Are you feeling happy or sad? Good or bad? Okay, today we are going to learn opposite words in rhythmic way. Let's start. Two little yellow birds sitting on a hill, one named Jack and other named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, and come back, Jill. Two little yellow birds flying in the sky, one named Low and one named High. Fly away low, fly away high. Come back low, come back high. Two little yellow birds sitting on a pole, one named Fast and other named Slow. Fly away fast, fly away slow. Come back fast, come back slow. Two little yellow birds sitting on a gate, one named Early and other named Late. Fly away early, fly away late. Come back early, come back late. Where is late? Have you seen? Where is late? Here. Early, late. Right. Two little yellow birds sitting on the ice. One was mean and other was nice. Fly away mean, fly away nice. Come back mean, come back nice. Okay, children, did you learn and enjoy from this rhyme? I hope that you learn from this rhyme. And okay, फिर मिलेंगे. Take care. Bye.
Oh, wait. Please like it, share it, comment it, and subscribe it. Now, bye bye.
Okay, bye.